Melissa, show me a dragon face on you. Megumi, where's your dragon face? Stick the tongue out. Come on, Stefan, you get in there and pretend you're plastering.
But I haven't done this.
Yes, you did. You did that Thunderbird.
I did it yesterday.
Do you have Instagram, Stefan?
No. No Instagram.
Okay. No one will see you. Oh well.
I'll tag you.
I just called my credit card that I bought my plane tickets with that go through Abu Dhabi. I'm like, no, we don't cover if there's a war or a revolution. Sorry. If your tickets get canceled. Getting good at that, John. Your little technique, making it ugly and then pretty. You got to clean this window. It's very dirty. Oh, Boris has progressed into fine sculpting now. Oh, it's muy lindo, Natalia. Yeah, good job. I like that dip, that groove. And Ryan always with the most complex sculpture. Working away. Most intricate. What's going on here? Fucking Nick.
Oh, Nick, just working. Nick's hard.
Working.
As always.
I remember one like that from the foundation. Was there one like that at the foundation?
Yeah.
Park? Send it to your grandma. Nick working hard.
Hey, Dom, do your motion, bro.
Wait. Nice plastering, Dom. Molto lindo, Domenico.
Beautiful.
Gotta get a picture of those little windows up there. Let's look at that little window up there. Very nice. Wow, almost done. Jennifer opted out on the lower.
Yeah.
Shit, just a little bit left. See if we can see that dragon a little better.
With the wheel out.
But Melissa's blocking it. Get down.